singer Chris Brown is being sued for rape in California, with his alleged victim claiming he drugged her and attacked her on a yacht at rap mogul Diddy's Florida home. The woman is demanding $20 million in damages from the R&B star. According to a report, Brown invited the woman, described as a choreographer, dancer, model and musical artist, to the yacht shortly after she arrived in Miami on December 30, 2020. She says the drink he offered her they made her feel disoriented and physically unstable. In 2009, Brown was convicted of beating fellow singer Rihanna, his girlfriend at the time, who missed the Grammy Awards because of her injuries. News Desk.